Hi there. Hope you have a fantastic day today. This lesson I will teach you Best Buy. Of course, there is a PDF file versions on the description below for you to download so you can work with me. Otherwise, let's go straight into it. First one, which options offers better value for your money? So option 1, 3 pence will cost you $9.30. And option 2, 1 pen costs you $3.48. So if you think about it, if I time this by 3 for the option 2, so that will give me $9 already. And then 48 cents without times 3, we already know that is greater than 30 cents. So therefore, option 1 is better deal. But we do need to show working out. So to work this out, so what I do, let me just write this down. So option 2, so we have 1 pen is $3.48. So 3 pence, so we can compare option 1 with option 2. So we need to have 3 pence in option 2 so we can compare how much it cost. On the left hand side, I times by 3. Okay, 1 times 3 is 3. So therefore, from here to here, I do need to times by 3 as well. So I just put on a calculator. So I just go $3.48, I times by 3. $10.44. So therefore, you can see 3 pence cost you this much. And then whereas option 1 only costs you $9.30. So therefore, option 1 is so there you go. Otherwise, you can also use option 1, you divide this by 3. Okay, so let me just show you this way. Okay, so you can pick the weight that you like, and you can tell me on the description below which method you like. Okay, so let me just work it out for you. 3 pence is $9.30, and we need to work out 1 pen so we can compare with option 2. So 1 pen, so from here to here I divide this by 3. So therefore this also need to divide by 3. So if I divide by 3, 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 3 divided by 3 is 1. So $3.10 each pen. So this is $3.48. So therefore, so there you go. Option 1 is Best Buy. Next one. So we have 2 options. So option 1, we can either buy 1 package of 4 pens, or we have 3 pens per package for option 2. So to work this out, so first of all, we can either times this by 3 because option 1 has 4 pens and option 2 has 3 pens. So 3 and 4, the common multiple is 12. So we can make it, both of them, 12 pence. So we need to work out how much it costs for each of them. So therefore, so to work this out, I can just go option 1. So 4 pence is $12.98. Because 12 is multiple of 3 and 4. Keep that in mind. So 12 pence will give me, so I times this by 3. So keep that in mind. I times this by 3. So I just put on a calculator. So I just go 12.98 and I times by 3. So there you go. $38.94. $38.94. And where's option 2? So what we have is we have 3 pence is $9.30. And we need to scale up to 12 pence. So 12 pence. So we from here to here, I times by 4. I times this by 4. So I just go 9.3 times 4. So there you go, $37.20. $37.20. So there you go. So therefore, option 2 is slightly cheaper. This is option 1. So therefore, so there you go. Or you can work out how much it costs for each pen. So let me just show you how again. So option 1, so 4 pens is $12.98. So we need to work out 1 pen. So I just go 12.98 divided by 4. $3.25. Correct to 2 decimal place. Okay. So $3.25. And for option 2, so 3 pens is $9.30. So 1 pen is, so just go 9.30 divided by 3. So 310. So there you go. So therefore, you can see option 2 only costs you $3.10. So whereas option 1 costs you $3.25. So therefore, options 2 is better deal. So therefore, so there you go. Next one. So option 1, we have $8.25 for 380 grams. And whereas option 2, $2.70 for 60 grams. To work this out, so I can work out how much it costs for each gram, okay, for each option. So let me just write this down. Option 1, so 380 grams, it costs $8.25. So now we need to work out 1 gram. So let me just put on a calculator. So just go 8.25 divided by 380. So that is dollars. So of course I can convert to cents. I times by 100. Okay, so that is 2.17 cents. Or you can write in terms of dollars if you like, but easier to read if you convert to cents. Okay, so 2.17 cents. So 2.17 cents. And option 2, 60 grams is $2.70. So work out 1 gram. So from here to here, I divide by 60. So I do the same thing on this side, of course. So I just put on a calculator. So it will give me, so 2.7 divided by 60. So 0.045. So I just times by 100 because I want to convert to cents. So that is 4.5 cents. So therefore, option 1 is a lot cheaper. So option 1 here and option 2 is cost this much. So therefore, option 1 is best buy. So there you go. Of course, if you think about it, you can also, what you can do, you can work out 10 grams on how much it cost. And then this one here, 10 grams and how much it cost, okay? And then you can just compare from there. The reason you can do this easily is because 380 divided by 8 give me 10. And 60 grams, so 60 divided by 6 will give me 10. You can also make 10 grams for each option. Then you can compare from there and it will still give you the same results, okay? Keep that in mind. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi there, I'm back. How did you go? So let me just go through them with you, okay? Before I do that, please do not forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe if you haven't done so you can help me to grow my channel. So let's get into it. So first one, so you can either work this out by times this by 4, so we can see which one is better deal, or you can divide this by 4 so that you can work out the cost of each bottle. Okay, depend what method you do. Okay, you should get the same result. So let me just write this down. So option 1 is we can just quickly do one bottle cost $2.85. So we need to work out 4 bottles. So you times by 4 on both sides. So I just go 4 times 2.85. So $11.40. Don't forget, because we're dealing with money, 2 decimal place. Okay. So $11.40. And this is $11.20. So obviously option 2 is better deal. Let me write this down. So therefore, so there you go. Let me know on the description below which method you just did. Okay, let's move on second one. So option 1, we have 30 pack of drinks, so cost you this much. Whereas option 2, 24 cans will cost you this much. So what I can do is I can either work out each can. Okay, that's easier. Or you can work out 6 cans. Okay, see how much each costs, because 30 is divided by 5, give me 6. If I divide this by 5, give me 6. If I divide this by 4, give me 6. I can compare like that as well. Okay, so let me just make it simpler. Just divide option 1 by 30 and option 2 by 24. Okay, we just need to work out each can. Okay, how much it cost. Option 1. So we have 30 cans is $40.65. So 1 can equal, so I just go 40.65, I divided by 30. So $1.36. Okay, correct to 2 decimal place. So $1.36 for option 1. Now option 2. So we have 24 cans is $34.20. And 1 can equal, so I just go 34.20 divided by 24. So $1.43, correct to 2 decimal place. $1.43. So therefore, option 1 is better deal. So let me just write it down. So there you go. Last one. So the first option is we have 2 liters will cost $3.65. And option 2 is 1.25 liters will cost you $3. So we just need to work out 1 liter. Okay, see how much it costs for each options. So option 1. So 2 liters is cost $3.65. And we just want to work out 1 liter. So we divide by 2 on both sides. So I just go 3.65 divided by 2. $1.83. $1.83 for each liter for option 1. Now option 2, 1.25 liters will cost $3. So therefore 1 liter, so from here to here, I divide this by 1.25. So do the same thing on this side. So that will give me, so just go 3 divided by 1.25. So $2.40. $2.40. And you can see option 1 is $1.83 a liter, whereas option 2, $2.40 a liter. So therefore, option 1 is cheaper. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.